Is Visit Busan Pass worth it in 2025?
We got our Visit Busan cards, and these are such pretty looking cards. Just look at it. I love it. So basically we can go to 5 different locations, 5 different attractions from two different sort of slabs that they have made, A and B. A are more expensive ones, so we can choose 2 out of those, and the B ones are more medium range ones, so we can choose like 3 from there. So that's how we can get 5 attractions done. Apart from that, we get transportation budget, transportation money basically of 3,000 won per person per card. So that is also a great thing, and also we get some discounts. That's what the lady told us. We're yet to experience all of these things for ourselves and see how it is worth it or not. We're really excited for that. If by the end of the video this card is actually worth it, we'll let you know. Very honest opinions after all the research, after all the research of how much these tickets, these things that we'll be doing actually cost. So we'll be doing all of that and telling you if this is worth it or not. So if it is, then we'll leave a link in the description and you can get yours too, and we'll get 5% discount and we'll get a small commission if you get it from our link. So yeah, that would be really helpful. Now let's get going. We're getting the 2-way one, right?
Yeah. So we're getting a 2-way ticket, which is already included in this. I'll see the cost. What
12,000.
12,000 per person.
Yeah.
2-way ticket.
Yeah.
So that's good. And
This is already covered in our card.
where are tickets? This seems like a good experience.
It is not like a normal just transit train. It is like a proper touristy train made as an attraction, and I love it. The time is passing by too quickly. It's making me anxious.
So just see, there's a walk path still. I would have loved to walk over here as well.
Same.
We're approaching Cheongsan-po.
There's kind of. Oh wow! We could have gone to a beach any day, but this is totally worth coming to, and this is such a perfect time by itself. Like,
This place is magical.
those are the only words that come to mind. Wow! It is officially the most beautiful temple in Korea. You do not need my finger to tell you that. You can read, but
For the effect.
for the effect.
Hello and welcome to another day in Busan. We are going to the very famous and well-known Gamcheon village today. A very artistic place, as I have read and seen online. This is also called Santorini of South Korea.
And it says that it's a free food spot. Art Space Project, Busan.
I love it. This is what we were looking for. Come on, give your hand.
3, 2, 1. Woohoo! That's the first stamp.
Look at that.
We have our own Gamcheon village.
This is a flip book studio where we can get our own cute little book of pictures, and that is such a cute concept. I would have loved to do this. It's 10,000 Korean won.
And it's also included in our Visit Busan Pass.
We can get it done for free right now, but only if we had the space to carry it.
I almost want to get
You
it
would
done.
love
Like,
it.
I actually want to get it done.
It's like the best souvenir.
So now we are heading towards the exit because now it's 4:30 and we have some more things that we want to do. We don't know if we'll be able to make it, but we definitely want to try.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna rush out of here and grab a bus.
이번 정류장은 아미시장입니다.
Oh my goodness. This place is beautiful. Oh my goodness. wanted to go into one of those cable cars. What are we doing? When are we doing?
Right now.
One ticket include 2 people.
Okay.
The ticket is twice.
Yeah, go and come, right?
Right. Go
Yeah.
to the 4th floor, please.
4th floor. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Time for a ride. Trisha?
Don't cross the yellow line.
Don't cross the other line.
Okay. Thank you. Always makes me super excited.
Look at that. I love the raging sea. This one might be one of my best experiences of a cable car because this one goes like crosses sea. Up until right now,
we haven't ever.
it was all hills and forests, right?
Yeah. This is amazing. Very,
And-
very happy.
We get a sunset view.
Yeah, that's what I was just going to tell you, that we are here at the best time, like at a perfect time, because we get the sunset happening right in front of us. It's the golden hour.
This is going to be a long video because I love this.
We're gonna record this throughout.
Yeah.
Hello, this is our next day and we are finally going to do the activity that we had planned to do.
With our Busan Pass, the activities are actually hill spa. Like, it's not a hill spa. The name of the place is hill spa.
Yeah.
We are going to get different types of spa experiences over there.
Yeah.
And the second activity,
It's a yacht tour.
yacht tour. We've never been in a yacht before.
And we've never been in a like sort of a public bathhouse, that's what they call it.
Yeah.
We've never done anything like that before and hence we're super excited. We woke up at 5 a.m. today, sharp. So,
We're very excited.
very, very excited.
These are called sheep. Korean spa sheep towel head something. It is what it is. Mine is a little, I don't know, loose.
You look like a schoolgirl with 2 ponies.
Konnichiwa.
This is the best. We were there in 72 degrees. It was just such a nice experience. I did not expect it. I don't know what I thought, but this was such a good experience and I absolutely loved it.
So, I'm gonna tell you everything about Hill Spa. Alright. So, this building comprises of 5 floors. First floor is the main lobby. Second floor is women's sauna area. Third floor is the common area with some steam rooms. Fourth floor is men's sauna. And fifth floor is another common footpath place. Right?
And also Jil Bang something basically, which is like a common area, I think.
So yeah, I haven't been to fifth floor as Trisha said, but I have been to men's sauna. So cultural shock, big one. I was not prepared for this. This is my first such sauna. Everyone was naked, butt naked. And I was like, alright, so this is not as I expected because I was handed some clothes. So I thought we were supposed to wear clothes.
Even in the sauna. That's,
Even in the
that's
sauna area.
exactly what I thought as well.
That's what you thought as well, right?
Yeah, suddenly I was like in a place where everybody was naked. It was very dramatic for me. And it was a very different experience.
If you're from India or a country where such things are not common, be ready to get naked.
But you will be very comfortable.
You'll be very comfortable because everyone else will be super comfortable and it's a common thing over here.
Yeah.
And these are two different areas. The men's section is totally different, women is totally different, and in common areas you're supposed to wear these clothes.
That was an amazing experience. We haven't had any such experience ever in our life. It was just so good. Now we're all freshened up and all set for our yacht tour. We have our life jackets on. We have these yacht slippers on. Now we're gonna enjoy this. We chose a 5 p.m. tour, which is nearest to the, sunset. So nearest to the sunset. I'm not sure if that it will be happening or if there'll be any sun for setting.
There's no sun visible today,
Yeah.
but it's okay. We try to do best on our.
And yeah, this is beautiful.
We do get some snacks and beer for me.
I will also have beer. I don't like it, but I have it.
You wanna have that?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera because this thing stabilizes too much, but you're swaying like a lot. 안녕하세요. Two. That's all I have to do. I just have to show my Visit Busan Pass. Sure. Come through there. I got a ticket.
Thank you.
And we have entered. That was so simple.
Nikhil! I love it. I did
Look
not
at that
know.
one. Do you want to go to that one?
Of course.
We're starting our day with giant swing. The simple fact that we don't have to wait, it's boggling my mind. Trisha, I think we'll be the only ones.
That is so cool. I already love this place.
Come.
Where is in your hand?
Yeah.
We went for the scariest one first.
Is this the scariest one? Oh, I have to keep my camera. Alright. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. They were upside down in that one. And that. See? That's the furthest it goes.
Oh my god.
And when you're in there, the time slows down.
Now it's snowing, I think. No. Oh no. Oh no.
Now it is slowing down. So now you know.
And I was holding my specs like this because
You
the,
were?
Yeah.
The wind was too strong, right?
Yeah, it was too strong.
On to the next ride.
No rides for me for a second. Maybe kiddie rides.
So moving on from that experience, right in front of it, there's like this super cute shop. I wanted to see what all is there.
This is their main version, right? Lotte World.
Yeah, this is their main.
Mickey Mouse. This is their version of Mickey.
Yeah, the main character.
They have normal hairbands. Why would anybody come here to buy hairbands?
There's these little keychains with games on them. And a calculator.
Wow!
I love the waterfall from the castle.
Yeah, this is a beautiful castle.
This is a beautiful castle. I'm not gonna take that away from it. Look at that. Does that guy speak also? Wait. Oh my god. 안녕하세요.
I'm gonna do something that I just learned.
What? Cookie. Yum.
I'm just sharing my views about it. It's too much now.
Alright, this was fun, right?
This was really fun.
That's it. That's all there is. So all in all, did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
A lot of.
A lot of fun. especially because the place was very empty. So felt very exclusive and very, you know, like, yeah, very just for us sort of.
Yeah. Are you sure you want to cross those gates right now?
I think I'm quite satisfied and I'm done from this place. We did everything.
So here are the final thoughts. In simple financial terms, we spent INR 3500 and got value worth over 6500, which is almost double the amount we paid.
Other than that, having this card pushed us to explore more and visit places which we would have otherwise missed.
Overall, we would just say that if you are someone exploring the city for the first time, definitely buy this. It's a must-have. Although I would not recommend the yacht tour. Alright.
That was our real opinion, so that you plan better.
Hope this video helped you. If you're planning to buy this, just a reminder, the link to this card is in the description box below. We'll also soon be uploading our free Korea guide on our website, so stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.